Hey guys, this is Josh in my new faction server that I made, and let's go inside, ate.
Hey, are you not gonna introduce me?
And here is Ate Dani. Check out
Hey
her
guys,
check out her Facebook,
I made the
Twitter, and
Minecraft video
YouTube.
before, but yeah, it's kind of boring and I just like go around. And you can subscribe to me because I don't do Minecraft videos, but I think I'm gonna do Minecraft videos. So
Okay, here's my name of the server that I made. Welcome to Conserve. This is a faction server for all Pocket Edition or PE players. Rules: refill the chest. Okay. Number 2 rule: you may steal from other bases. Oh. Number 3: you may steal at players' drops. Number 4: have fun. And number 5: may team up with other factions. What the heck? What the heck? And
sorry, that's my notification. BRB.
okay, and then our VIP is, as you know me, and there's Steve and Star as Atudami.
Hi.
Okay, so it says here in the chest that I made, you may only have 3 items a day. Ores are in this chest. And, oh my god, oh my god.
Open the chest.
You can only have 3 items, ate. So I'll get, ate! I see! So I'll get 1, 2, I'll get 3 diamonds and 1 stick.
Yeah, try the 3 diamonds also, and 3 gold, and 3.
Oh wait, 3 items! You can only get 3 items! Very plenty with them. 3 items a day, it says. A human day. And then I'll get the crafting table.
That's why I got 3 items. I like each, like that. Like
Yes.
this. Look, 1 diamond, 1 gold, 1 iron.
Yes, and then you
One.
can get stuff from this here, ne? 3 items also. So are you ready? I got already the crafting table. I think you should get the pickaxe.
I got
Start?
the pickaxe.
Okay, let's start. Sorry. Eat the cake! Eat the cake! Eat the cake. The cake will replenish you. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make our base.
Are we
So,
gonna do this together?
yes, because we can team up met factions. And then because there's not that much people here, Pailangket. Oh, what's wrong? Okay, something.
So, where are we gonna do it? I'll collect. I'll collect. Wood.
Okay, I'll look for a flat biome. You got a stick?
Yeah, I gotta see.
Okay, you don't want to craft now? Your sword?
No, later. When I have the.
Ayos pala, our difficulty is dapat on high. High in your difficulty
What?
at high in your difficulty.
You're being choppy choppy. You're choppy choppy.
Sorry,
can you like make a house and then I just gather wood and then I'm gonna give it to you?
It's not yet even dark. Uh, okay, give me the wood. Show it. Show the wood. Chop it. Okay, 6 Asian wood.
Oh my gosh, can we stay here because there's water? Look, 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 look.
Wait! I cannot.
Here, here, go over here, go over here, here. Here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here, I'm here.
Very noisy. We're not allowed to stay near the faction start. We're still near. We're not allowed to go near to live near the starting area. We're only allowed to live out far. So it's not that far.
Fine, I'm here then.
Wait,
Follow me, like,
wait, I'm glitching.
look at this, silver, copper, I don't know.
What?
Silver, copper, I don't know. Silver, copper, I don't know what the heck is this.
Iron. Mine is na. There's no new ores right now. I think so.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sad.
I'm lagging.
Are you gonna help me? Oh my god, I found it! Gold! For things!
Wait.
Go for me! It's a great day! I hope we have experience. Oh my god, look at this! There's another silver thingy!
That's iron.
Oh, what the heck? Okay, wait, I'm gonna make a thing.
Ah, creeper! Creeper!
Oh my gosh! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, half alive.
Okay.
Follow me.
Ate, here pa Nicole.
Where?
Here, oh. Hiding. Scam. Ah! Okay, I can move properly now. Why did you make torches again? I thought you were going to make sword or dead end. Ate, yun ni iron. What? Sorry. Oh my god. Call me again. Te. No, you need to call me again. Okay, sorry guys. But there's something wrong with my phone. Now I'm waiting for Adele. Play a little short game. And the guys, yes, right. Cool. So glitchy. But we're still able to fulfill. So, here's strike. So, I think I should go for this. Yeah. Space flight. They buy the homing rocket and extra lights, guys. You guys should buy the extra lights. Just in case. Burn! I don't even know how does this make them die. But I love it. I love it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, I'm loving it. Bomb! 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 Die! Oops, there's ate. Ready na ate? Te. Tay. Hey, ate. Hey. Why it? Okay, I'm ready now.
Okay. You know, this is our spot because it's safer here, so yeah. No, where's my pickaxe? Okay. Oh.
Who's going to be the leader?
What?
Who's going to be the leader of the factions? Ate, let's stay pa lang inside here. The cave. Ate, let's stay pa lang here inside the cave.
I'm already doing it, so... You're trapped. We're trapped. Oh my gosh, what the heck?
Mine the stone, so that I can place the door. I think we should have a base underground.
No.
Yes.
This is just a temporary, so...
Okay.
I'm gonna mine the stones then. Good luck.
Be careful of creepers.
Shut up. I
It's
can
night time, garo then.
You have a door? What the heck? There's cheating! Oh my gosh, I fell. Oh my gosh. I completely... Alright.
It's nice.
What's this?
Hey, don't just stop.
Hey!
Abby! Ah, it's lagging. I cannot even turn. Sorry, ah. Sorry, you can. I'm going to stay inside where it's safe.
And then you're a leader, you're not helping your partner.
I don't have met the pickaxe. How many iron do you have, Kadi? Creep zombie. Okay, ate, you can place. Ate, you can place your stuff inside the chest.
Okay. I got 13.
Train.
Wool. This. Just joking, that's mine. This and this. So, yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5. How many coal do you have?
None. And I got chicken.
I've also
And I'm gonna surrender my diamond because it's for the both of us.
No, you can get it. I already have iron. Diamond.
No, because I'm sharing it for both of us.
Okay. Sorry, you can.
Okay, I'm gonna mine.
I got. Sorry. Did same it in the rules I'm able to kill. Come na ayun oh. I'm placing your stuff here in the chest.
You're not even helping me. Gonna steal one of these.
Lagging.
What a great partner you are, huh?
Wait! Coming! Ah! Hello?
I was slain by Ender Steve. Serious?
Shoo. Oh.
You slaying me? Not.
Ah! Ate! Ate, you get my stuff. It's outside the cave.
No.
Fat face.
Okay.
I'll call my brethren. Ah.
Okay. Done. Temporary pick.
I cannot turn.
Where are the lamps? I mean, the torches, the lamps.
I don't know with you. I'm not the one who placed them down.
Shut up.
Ah! Ah! No!
But this is a... Oh my god! Get away from me! 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 Oh, you wanna fight, huh? You wanna fight? You wanna fight? Huh? You don't fight because you're a bitch. You're a girl dog. Okay. There it is. Hello, are you still here, my friend?
Don't even know if this is...
I got 2 and I got 1 cobblestone, so yeah. I really sorry. I have to get the food.
You want to go to the other cave?
Oh, I have other things here. There's no ender chest naman. So are we gonna eat cake? Because I'm gonna eat cake. So see ya. But you know naman where's the cave where we are, diba?
Okay. You want to go to the other cave, I'm asking.
Oh! A crater! No! Get it! Ouch!
If you did not die.
Oh, no, never. I don't wanna die, okay? Can we fish? Because there's no fishes in the pond.
Taxi drivers are very noisy.
What?
The taxi drivers are very noisy.
Right. How to eat it?
Stop it.
Oh. Okay, wait, didn't you tell me? I've been crashing it all day long.
What?
Lucas, tell me. Tell me. Oh, what? Okay, now new objective. Find a sheep for bed. And then a house also in the land, not in the cave because caves are late. I'm sorry. So, oh, here it is. Found it.
Ate, you like to do a dare?
Here it is. Here it is. Look at me. I'm here. Hello.
My render distance is not good.
Okay, guys, this is the end of the recording, the session, and you have to wait for part 2. See you next time.
Can we get 50,000 likes for more? Bye, guys.